With the death of the operator, replaced with machines and call menus, we can finally breathe in the dead air time. It's an empty, shallow breath, isn't it? Welcome to the 21st century. Wait on the line. But no one is there to help us anymore. So now we must help ourselves. A horrifying thought for some, but a chance to begin again for those and others among us. Another chance for humanity to show its best side to everyone. Another bet to be paid off when we show our worst. Are you so long forgotten and so far off? Do you remember where you left your humanity? I picked up mine when we got out of the truck a mile back. Don't worry, I'll share mine. That's what friends are for, right? We can't let each other fall, lest the last one pull the whole tower down. Look, here's our chance. Do you see it? We can prove ourselves again. We can take that second chance and dive into the pool. If you don't come up, I'll bring you back to the surface like we both planned so long ago. We're in now, together. A team. Don't believe me. Stay here then. Alone. No. Then steady. Ready? Don't let go of my hand again. Here we go.